Nonwovens are mainly of two types. The first, nonwoven interlining, is used as lining and treated with glue or coating. Types include chemical spray powder, airlaid, thermal calendering, and adhesive needle-punched nonwoven interlining. Nonwoven fabrics include PP, spunlace, and needle-punched materials. The first type is chemical spray powder, nonwoven interlining. This interlining has a wide range of application with three types of hand feel: hard, medium soft, and soft. It is mainly used on collars, plackets, hems, and pocket flap. When not coated with adhesive, it's used for curtain tapes, chef hats, or colored for flower packaging. The second nonwoven interlining is thermal calendering nonwoven interlining. It is eco-friendly and strong, especially in heavier weights that resist tearing. With adhesive, it sticks well for better product adhesion. Thermal calendering nonwoven interlining is mainly used in the collars, pocket flaps, cuffs, plackets, and hems of shirts or typically casual wear. Its main feature is its affordability. The main difference between chemical spray powder and thermal calendering nonwoven interlining is that the surface of the former is flat and smooth, while the latter has bonding dots and is uneven. Chemical spray powder nonwoven inner lining uses LDPE glue powder, forming a smooth, glossy, sparkly layer. Thermal calendering nonwoven interlining uses double dot glue powder, which fills texture. The third nonwoven interlining is air-laid nonwoven interlining, which mainly comes as regular or polyester, with or without adhesive. Another type is recycled cotton nonwoven fabric, made with the air-laid process. It feels stiff, and both sides tear easily with a gentle pull. This is mainly for embroidery and can be torn off easily after finishing. Now, let me introduce nonwoven fabric. The first type is needle-punched cotton nonwoven fabric, which comes in two forms: regular without adhesive and coated with PA, PES, or LDPE glue. The product I have is coated, so it serves as an interlining. Needle-punched cotton nonwoven fabric coated with LDPE adhesive powder is used inside women's underwear or as sleeve head strips in suits. Conventional needle-punched cotton nonwoven fabric, not glued, has many uses. It suits Christmas products, comes in many colors, and can be printed or hot stamped. It serves as the foundational fabric for carpets and is crafted into a wide variety of styles and designs. Needle-punch cotton can be stiffened and used for embroidery patches, like the cartoon character patterns on children's clothing made from colored needle-punched cotton. These products can also be made into armbands that stick to clothing with adhesive. The second nonwoven fabric is PP nonwoven fabric, widely used for shopping bags, packaging, suit covers, and car covers. It protects against dust, UV rays, and water. Spunlace is a third type of nonwoven fabric, widely used in everyday life. It is available in a variety of styles and surface textures, offering versatility for different applications. Common materials include viscose, polyester, blends, wood pulp, polypropylene, PP, and more. Its applications are also extremely wide-ranging. For example, we commonly use it for facial masks, kitchen cleaning cloths, leather-based fabrics, hospital underpads, disposable bed sheets, and mattress covers. For example, the one I'm holding in my hand is mainly used as a kitchen cleaning cloth. It has excellent absorbency and a wide range of uses. This type of product can also be made into cleansing towels, which can be compressed into disposable face towels, bed sheets, bath towels, and other products. We cannot live without it in our daily life.